Hi everyone, this is a demo of using the Circuit Playground Bluefruit or CPB featuring the Soft Potentiometer, Piezo buzzer, Onboard Light Sensor, and Onboard Microphone. But before I tell you how the system works, let me first show you what it can do. Picture this. You're a college student in a course about hands-on system design and engineering, and you are preparing a presentation about the progress you've made on your capstone project over the past week. However, as you're rehearsing, you realize you don't know if you're talking too fast, too slow, too quiet, or too loud. You need the PitchPacer, a wearable device that gives you immediate feedback regarding speaking volume and time remaining while practicing your presentation. Simply slide the ring on the soft pot to set the time limit, then cover the light sensor to start the clock. The piezo buzzer will audibly notify you when the clock is started, as well as when you are one third, two thirds, and all of the way through your presenting time. While presenting, the onboard neopixels will illuminate to indicate if you're talking too quiet, too loud, or just right. Let's dig into how it works. The soft pot is effectively a conductive ribbon with a sliding ring, which connects to the Bluefruit by power and ground being attached to either end of the ribbon, and the signal wire being connected to the ring. As you slide the ring, it changes the resistance of the circuit, providing an analog input signal to the Bluefruit, which is a value between 0 and 65,535. This value has been scaled in the code to correspond to different numbers of minutes for timing. The onboard light sensor is another analog input, but this one only reads in values between 0 and 320. It starts the timer whenever it reads a value below a certain threshold, which is achieved by covering it with your hand. The onboard microphone is also an analog sensor of sorts that reads in the sound level data. Those values have been mapped to tell the Bluefruit if you're talking at an acceptable volume or not. Then output that to the neopixels by showing yellow if you're too quiet, red if you're too loud, and green being just right. Lastly, the piezo buzzer, which is attached to the Bluefruit via the audio pin and a ground pin, has been configured as a pseudo-analog output that takes a pulse width modulation or PWM signal with a specified frequency to emit a tone. This whole system is powered by a AAA battery pack and has been secured to these armbands for wearability. Unfortunately, that's all the time I have for this demo video. Can't wait to see what you create.